What is your name?
My name is Allie.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
What is your age?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where do you live?
I live in Rawalpindi.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I like biryani.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
What is your father's job?
He is a teacher.
What is your mother's job?
She is a housewife.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ahmed.
What is your school name?
My school name is ABC School.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
What is your phone brand?
It is Samsung.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Spider-Man.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
What is your dream?
My dream is to become a doctor.
Do you study English daily?
Yes, I study daily.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What do you eat in breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you go to college?
No, I don't go to college.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
What is your nationality?
I am Pakistani.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Ahmed.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to school.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will study tomorrow.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is your school time?
My school time is 8 a.m.
Do you get up early?
Yes, I get up early.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What is your age?
I am 15 years old.
Do you like games?
Yes, I like games.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I have a bike.
What color is your bike?
It is black.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you like school uniform?
Yes, I like school uniform.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
Can you drive?
No, I cannot drive.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is park.
Do you have a mobile?
Yes, I have a mobile.
What is your routine?
I study and play daily.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you go in evening?
I go to the park.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like pets.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Karachi.
Do you like homework?
No, I don't like homework.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I like cartoons.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is engineer.